Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, kindly hit the subscribe button below and hit the notification bell so that you don't have to miss any of our updates. In this video, we take you on a walking tour of the Nairobi Safari Walk, where you get to see lions in their habitat. Come with me.
Nairobi Safari Walk, the closest you can get to the wild. As you stroll within these secured areas, stop to read the informative signs, observe and understand the exhibited and free-ranging wildlife species. Lion, large carnival cat. Severely threatened and yet so amazing. Lions are very social compared to other cat species. Most lions found in the wild live in southern and eastern parts of Africa. Prime habitat for lions is open woodlands, thick grassland, and bush habitat, enough cover for hunting and denning. When lions are on honeymoon, they tend to secure a very private spot for a week or two. They mate several times in a day, and many times they do not eat at this time. At the Nairobi Safari Walk, you will get to the museum where you will learn about wildlife and nature. At the Safari Walk, you will see a sample of the country's rich animal life. It is also home to some 150 species of local trees.
I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. This is a family-friendly tour that I would recommend it to everybody, even the people who are able differently. It is a place that they can enjoy. Subscribe and see you in the next video.